Okay, it's still day 2. I want to show you the progress here. I took I changed the glass into a smaller one because I had a smaller urine, and I put it in here, and look what's happening here. Look at this. This is amazing here. It's like a cloud. Can you see that little cloud of... Is it there? Can you see it? It's like a cloud of stuff at the bottom of the cup, the glass. A cloudy substance. I'm swishing it around now, but when I let it go, it all forms near my hand, near the cut. So this residue, some sort of cloudy residue forms in the urine, and it gathers all around my injury. You know what I mean? It gathers all around the cut. There's a big shiny light there. Eh? I'll try and zoom in a little bit, see if I can get at that. The body is an amazing thing, you know? The human body. See that cloudy stuff in the water? That just appeared. And it seems like it's gathering around the wound. Like it just gathers all around the wound. It's very interesting. Okay, that's it.